Hello everybody, it's Mr. Streety again. We're gonna put a new twist on our little circle game. We're gonna make it go wherever we want it. Well, left to right. We're gonna make it go left to right now. Okay, so we're gonna start at the same place we were, but now we need to make a list of all the press keys, all the possible press keys. So we're gonna start off with this thing. Press keys equals Pygame, our library, Pygame dot key dot get pressed. So key dot get pressed, and there it is right there. Okay, so there's that. We have that variable. Now we can use it. So if pressed keys, click on that again. If press keys equals kwrite with a capital K underscore RIGHT, kwrite. And of course we need our colon there. So if we press that right key, then we're going to do our X pos plus 1. So I'm a big fan of copy and paste. So I'm just going to right click and copy and paste the rest of this. And we'll change a few things. We'll change this to left. L-E-F-T. There's that. And this will be minus equals 1 because it'll be going the other way. Alright, let's try this puppy out. Okay, so we'll highlight it, right click, run cell. There's our window. Right, left, left, right, left, right. Okay, so again, I guess I didn't clarify earlier. This K left and K right, that actually is the arrows. Arrow keys. Left arrow, right arrow. Of course, you probably knew that, but just to be sure. Alright, so there we go. There's that. Let's move on. See you next time.